What's going on, YouTube?
On our way to Dallas.
Yes, to go see
I bring my squishies.
Kelly Calabrese, which is one of me and my dad's very good friends. And so this is gonna be a squishy review. We're gonna be showing you our squishies.
All of our squishies.
And what
but
we
one
brought.
of them is missing, so in our next video we'll show you the one that was missing. So yeah.
Yes, on one of our next. So we're gonna show you the stuff that we brought with us, and yeah, we're gonna show you what we brought.
So the first thing we got was these sets.
Okay, so what are we gonna like?
The first thing we got was
okay,
these sets. They smell really good. They're really good.
where am I gonna like land?
Really good.
I think I'll just put
They
this.
smell so good.
Okay, guys. So our review is about to start in 3,
2, 1. So this is our first thing that we bring. Mine is named Fallon.
No,
No,
mine's Fallon. Mine's
This is
Fallon.
Mine is
He's
Frost.
scented. He's a scented little baby.
Mine is 2. She has a little hoodie on. Did I
She-
take the hoodie off?
She has she can put her little hat on, and that's for when she's in the winter outside.
Yeah.
With
So
us.
the next thing
And then I have Fallon right here, and he's scented. He smells like mangoes and pineapples.
mine is newborn nursery, so it smells like a newborn baby.
Yeah, so it smells like baby powder.
Okay, so
The next thing that we're gonna show you is our squishies. Obviously, we have to have
we
squishies.
have twin squishies right now.
We have twin
got
squishies.
Twin
And
squishies.
twin squishies. Okay, so I used Fallon's box for my squishies.
And I use
Fallon the
Frost.
box.
And I use Frost's box, as you can see.
And then I just went to Subway right now with my dad. And I just put that there because I didn't know where else to put it. And then we'll go over our luggage, but not too much. And then we'll go over our luggage, like what we brought. And also
We will be doing
Wait, Tiana, you can't be showing your squishies yet. Okay, guys. So
We will
the
be
second
doing
review
another
is yes, we'll be doing the second video, and
Later on.
later on, yes. So the first squishy that I'm gonna be showing you guys is this little
snowman.
snowman. Yeah,
A really squishy snowman.
a really squishy snowman. Yes.
Really slow rising.
Yeah, slow rising.
So the next squishy I am going to be showing you guys is my favorite squishy. It's not my favorite, but my second favorite squishy. It's the unicorn.
That's Uni. We named her that.
Named Uni. Really squishy. You can see her little feet are pink.
Mama, you need to
One
sit
of
back
my
here.
favorites.
We're coming into the city.
And
Really
then
squishy.
the third squishy. I have a little Santa squishy. Like, I know it's not like Christmas anymore, but I still have like Christmas squishies with me.
Excellent squishy.
The next squishy.
Is that a limited edition since it's a
Yeah,
Christmas?
they're limited edition and they're all scented.
They're on. Yes. The next squishy I'm going to be showing you, her name is Luna Petunia.
Is Luna Petunia Pinky.
Ah,
It's a little
she's
cow.
so cute. Okay. Little tail right there.
That one's like
Fast
rising. Like most of my squishies, all of my squishies are slow rising. Okay, the next squishy is I have Christmas tree here.
The twin squishies we're going to be showing you last.
Our twin squishies. So Christmas tree is excited
Yes.
to be showing you guys herself. And she's slow rising just like the rest of
Really
the crew.
slow rising.
Guys, welcome to San Antonio.
Now we're in San Antonio, peeps.
San Antonio.
What's San Antonio?
San Antonio.
San Antonio.
As long as it's not Sugar Tonio.
Okay. So,
Sammy, you need to sit back.
I'm not gonna give you one line.
Okay. So
Mana only had 3 squishies today.
I have 4 squishies, but the one
She had 3 of them today, so I'm gonna be showing you the rest of my squishies.
yes.
And then we'll show you the twins at the end. So this is also another, like, one of my favorites. I named him Stocking, because he's a stocking.
Really
And
squishy.
he's so squishy, like, when I squish him, like, he just, like, stays there. He's, like, a super good squishy.
That one's actually my favorite as well.
We were gonna bring Slide to the trip, but we couldn't, so no. Okay, and then another one that I have is a box of squishies in here. I have some pancakes. I have pancakes here.
Really squishy pancakes. Some of the paint is already coming off because my dad.
Ate it.
Yeah, he ate it.
So
He's
time
currently
for the
driving,
final
so he,
finale.
wait. So right now my dad's currently driving, so he can't be in much of the video. Okay, so last is our twin squishies.
So here is our twin squishy. 3, 2, 1.
1.
Ah, they're little penguins.
So I have the red.
So
So
I have
3, 2, 1. Let go. They're super squishy. It shows also like all of our handprints. Here, look.
favorite squishies that I have right now.
Yeah, our favorite squishies are. Well, no, this isn't my favorite squishy, but it's just like really squishy.
Really squishy.
Yeah.
We are currently
So that's
driving
done
to
for
the
our slime squishy review. Now going to stuff that we just got because we wanted to bring.
Yes. As well, I have this box and
So right now I'm gonna show you my adventure backpack. So I reviewed my adventure backpack in one of our videos a lot back ago, and it was just me and my dad, and that's when we were in Dallas too, but we were on the road heading back to Texas. Well, we're still in Texas, but heading back to Edinburgh, where my dad lives, and then I had to get dropped off at Weston because that's where my mom lives. And so yeah, so you might have seen this in a very old video a while back. It's my adventure backpack. I got this at Rainforest Cafe, but I added this, and then I have iron-on patches. So this is when my dad went to Las Vegas. He got me this one, and he got me this one. I got this when I was with him.
and we also have 2 more. It's just that they fell off, so we can't put it back on.
Oh yeah. So this is it. It has lots of zippers. I carry most of my stuff in here. Like I carry right here.
So
I carry most of my stuff. I carry here. Like I have like my stuff in here. I have my wallet in there. Has money. I have right here my technology backpack.
And as well, guys.
This is my technology pack. I have all my technology in here. Which I have a pen. I have some chargers, my phone, and then yeah, basically. And then I still need to go on a little bit more stuff.
And as
Let me
well,
close that zipper. I have to
who
close that.
would not survive without my phone or an iPad? I bring my iPad because my dad hasn't fixed my phone yet. So yeah. So I bring
And
my
then
iPad
I have my phone.
and my charger's up there. So my charger's up there. So yeah, I bring my iPad. I love my iPad. I have to
And don't forget to follow us on our accounts, our
Go make sure to
social
subscribe,
medias.
hit the like button and comment down below.
Share this video.
Share this video, yes, share. And then I have my special journal where I write everything in here.
Okay, so guys,
So all the secrets and stuff
All my
like that.
secrets, yes, no one has read it except for my mom.
So
Okay, guys,
the
she
next
wants-
video, I'm gonna share everything that's written in there.
No, you ain't gonna read this. I'll just show you the first page.
No, you don't have to show anything.
I can show whatever I want. Okay, so this
I love
well, I
pancakes.
did this. I put Joaquin's journal. I put diary on purpose, and then it says do not open. If
Okay,
you,
guys. So the next thing,
Yeah,
I
if
need
you
to be
want to
comfy
read it,
on
just
my-
ask me or tell
need to be
me in the
comfy.
comments below
I need
if
to be comfy on
girl.
Hey guys,
Or if
stop
you
it.
want to know what's in this special journal, just comment down below. And yeah, I have some really
It is
juicy
raining
secrets.
outside.
It's
Stop
raining in Sugartown.
Alright, we'll see you guys later.
No.
Dad, no.
We still have more.
It's a review, Dad. Just because
The
you
memory
want it
is
to
gonna
be
die.
short, like 2 minutes.
Houston,
No.
San Antonio.
It's good to have long videos because they want to know. They want to know. They want to know.
Okay, guys. So I bring this because I need to be comfy on my little patitas. So I bring my Louis Vuitton shoes, and they are really comfortable. These are like my favorites. Slip them on.
And then I also have mine. Mine like
Those are really comfy as well.
shoes
And
too.
I as well bring some extra shorts.
And then I brought like a lot of outfits, super nice outfits. And my dad is gonna be with all the Ninja Warriors.
Woo! We're gonna go see Ninja Warriors at Dallas. And as well with this, I have a matching coat with it. This little boy has clothes. So
Yes.
that's his little jacket. And then I have my own jacket with the fur on top as well, so we always match.
But Valen does not have clothes. We boys do whatever we want because we're savages.
Oh my gosh. Okay. As well, I bring a pillow because everyone needs to
Memory.
survive
Memory's
with
gonna die.
No.
Pillow.
Upload it to another.
Okay, so my dad says
We'll
memory's
see
gonna
you
die.
on the next video.
Don't forget to
Bye.
subscribe, hit the like button,
And
and
share.
just share.
If we get this video,
To
if we get 150 views, we will
Have a
give
giveaway.
a giveaway. Yes, we're gonna have a giveaway. We haven't been giving giveaways in a long time.
yeah, and we haven't even gave a giveaway. So we're gonna be doing a giveaway. What is it? Yeah, and we have it at our house. It's like an emoji pillow, and we're gonna be giving it out to you guys. Goodbye. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys.